Hey, welcome back. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and create this PVC pipe connector. Right now I have an elbow. So if I do Control Z, we can see the changes that I made to create this. So we can also change these variables here to actually get a T connector. Or we can change it to get different ends. And it'll still be a smooth finish. So like if we do Control X or Shift X, we can see that we have a smooth interior. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to create a new part. I want to start off by writing out my variables. So my inner diameter will have a value of 1. My wall thickness will have a value of 0.1. And by the way, I'm working in inches, so make sure you work in inches. My number of Z ends. This will be a number, so I'll put a value of 1 for now. Or let's do 2. And then my max length will be 3 inches. We're going on a right view. Let's go ahead and create a sketch. Let's create 2 circles centered at the origin. Let's add the wall thickness first, and then the inner diameter, which has a value of 1 for now. Let's go ahead and extrude this. We're doing symmetric, and we're extending out with the max length. So notice I'm using my variable. So now I'm going to go on my top view. I'm going to create another sketch. We're doing 2 circles. Keep in mind we have to use the same dimension, and this is not centered, so let me make this coincidental. So right here, this is going to be the inner diameter. Oh, whoops, wall thickness. And now my inner diameter. Now I'm going to extrude, and I'm adding a new part. And I'm going to go out by the max length, divided or /2, and I go ahead and accept. So now I'm going to use circular pattern, using part pattern. I'm creating an add. Axis is this one. We're doing our Z ends for the instance count, and we're merging with all, and go ahead and accept. So now let's hide this. And we're going to create another sketch, or we're going to do an extrusion using this inner circle right here. And we're going to do new. We're using our max length divided by 2. And now let's show our part. We want to do a circular pattern, remove. Entity subpattern is this one, axis is this one. We're merging with all. And we want to do our number of Z ends to make sure this is smooth, and go ahead and accept. So if we do Shift X, we pretty much created that. So now we have to hollow this out. So let's go ahead and add one more extrusion. Let's hide this sketch, show this one, hide part 1. Select remove, through all, symmetric, and merge with all. And notice we have this hollow interior. And we accept. So at this point, we can change our number of Z ends, and we have a pretty smooth finish at this point. So we're pretty much done. You can go ahead and play around with this and see what else you can create. So before we finish the video, try this out. So make sure you click on Skip Instances, select this part, and select any point here. And we keep the geometry, but we miss some of the, or we get rid of some of the entities that we replicated. So then we have this open part right here. So if we go to circular pattern again, we go to skip instances. And if we select this part, we get rid of that hollowed area. And if we accept, we end up with this geometry. So that's pretty much it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay awesome and happy holidays. See you.